in the Faculty of Physiotherapy Department. And it is Jyoti Vidyapith Women's University, Jaipur, Rajasthan. So today's topic is antigen, and this topic is like governed from the microbiology. So what are the, first of all we have to understand what is the antigen. So basically antigen could be any particle, any substances which enters inside us and evoke the immune responses. So antigen could be like either the particle, any type of food, water, pollens, bacteria, viruses, fungus, and parasite. So what will be the definition of antigen? Antigen is a substance which enters inside us and evoke the immune responses. And after the immune responses, like how immune response generate inside us by forming the antibodies and by dividing the T cell into some various type of like subtypes. So this is the definition of antigen. So antigen, like there are two types of antigen are there, like complete or incomplete antigen. Complete antigen or incomplete antigen. We can also happen to the incomplete antigen. So students, you are understanding the meaning of complete and incomplete. So there is like something missing in case of incomplete. So complete antigen are those antigen which like enters into the body and provoke the antibody formation and react with the antibody in specific or in the observable manner. So what is the difference between the incomplete or complete? So incomplete antigen are those antigen which cannot bind with the antigen and cannot form the reaction properly because of the less of the carrier protein. Because incomplete antigen, you can say the complete antigen to those antigen which are protein in nature completely and which are having the molecular weight more than 10,000. So in case of incomplete, so there is a molecular weight of any particle which is acting like antigen is less than the 10,000 Dalton. So we require the protein molecule to bind up with the incomplete antigen. Then incomplete antigen will function like the complete antigen by forming the antibodies against of them and react with the antibodies is observable or in like well manner. So this was the definition of complete and incomplete antigen. So further incomplete antigen divided into two broad group: simple and complex. So what is the difference between simple and complex? So in case of simple, they can bind with the antibody but they cannot form the precipitate or any type of reaction. So in case of complex reaction, complex antigen, so they can bind with the antibody properly. They can also show the precipitation reaction or the other type of reaction. And what is the reason behind it? That it's that the reaction is not completing with the simple type of antigen. It is complete with the complex type of antigen. So because of the univalent nature of some simple incomplete antigen, it is happening, and because of the polyvalent nature of the complex antigen, it is happening. So what is the study behind it? So a antigen should be polyvalent in nature. Polyvalent means having the more than two binding sites for antibody. So if any antigen is present and it is having more than the two binding sites for antibody, it will act like a complex antigen. So if any antigen it is having the binding site less than 2 or 1, so it will act like a simple antigen. So topic is over. So I hope concept is clear to you. If you have any problem, let me know in next class. Dhanyavad, namaste, take care.